Hello children, welcome to the Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss in the part of assignment number 3, 7th class chemistry. Our topic is acids and bases. Okay, now let us discuss one by one. Our first question is write the uses of acids, bases and salts. Okay, acids, preparation of pickles. Generally we are using acetic acid, CH3COOH. Its chemical formula is CH3COOH, acetic acid, which is generally used in the preparation of pickles. And next, cold drinks. In the cold drinks we are using carbonic acid, H2CO3 carbonic acid, which is used in the cold drinks. Next, the uses of bases. Okay, removing of grease stain. For example, ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide is basic solution or basic compound which is used for the removing of grease stain. Next, in the preparation of bleaching powder, calcium hydroxide, which is basic in nature. Calcium hydroxide is basic in nature. So this calcium hydroxide can be used in the preparation of bleaching powder. Next, about salts, uses of salts. Food preservation, common salt, NaCl common salt, so that can be used for the food preservations. Next, washing clothes in washing soda. To prepare the washing soda, generally the salt can be used. Okay, so this is first question. Next, second question. What is neutralization? Write an a neutralizing reaction. Okay, what is neutralization? The reaction in which an acid reacts with base to form salt and water, that is called a neutralization reaction. Okay, the process or reaction in which acid reacts with base to form salt and water. These are here salt and water, these are the neutral compounds. Okay, acid. For example, we can give one example, HCl, hydrochloric acid plus base sodium hydroxide NaOH gives rise to, it form NaCl common salt plus water H2O. Okay, here these are the two products, neutral products. Okay, hydrochloric acid reacts with base NaOH sodium hydroxide to give common salt and water. Okay, this is a neutralization reaction and example. Next, third question. Why industrial wastes are neutralized before releasing into water? Okay, industrial wastes are neutralized before disposing into water because factory wastes often contain acid. Okay, factory gases contain, the industrial gases contain sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide. When they mix with moisture, they turns to acid. So those acids must be neutralized before releasing into water. Okay, because those acids will kill aquatic live animals and thus brings damage to the entire ecosystem. Okay, next, fourth question. Test the following salt substances with red litmus and blue litmus paper. Record your observations in the table. Okay, copper sulfate. Okay, copper sulfate is acidic salt. Copper sulfate is acidic salt. Copper sulfate is acidic salt. Common salt is neutral. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is basic salt. It is basic salt. This is acidic salt. Because copper sulfate, CuSO4, copper sulfate is obtained from copper hydroxide plus H2SO4. Okay, copper sulfate which is obtained from the strong acid and weak base. So that resulting salt is acidic salt. Common salt NaCl which is obtained from strong acid and strong base. So the resulting salt is neutral salt, common salt. Next, sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Okay, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate which is obtained from strong base NaOH and weak acid carbonic acid H2CO3. So the resulting salt is basic salt. Clear? So clearly here copper sulfate is the acidic salt. So it turns blue litmus to red litmus paper. It turns to blue litmus to red. Okay. On red litmus paper, no effect. No effect. Next, common salt. It is neutral. So neutral compound doesn't change the color of either blue litmus or red litmus paper. So no effect on blue litmus paper and no effect on red litmus paper. Next, sodium carbonate, which is basic in nature. Basic salt. Sodium carbonate is basic salt. So no effect on blue litmus paper. Here red litmus paper turns to blue litmus paper. So here these are the effects of red litmus and blue litmus papers. Okay, great. Next, fifth question: are all neutral solutions salts? Give examples. No, all neutral solutions are not salts. Okay, all neutral solutions are not salt solutions because sugar and starches are also neutral, but they are not treated as salts. Okay, hope everyone understood. Thanks.